Hi everyone, I'm Shreya from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app. Go to the search bar and search for the person that you are looking for. Notice the add friend button is grayed out or missing on profile. Let's explore 4 common reasons behind this issue and how to fix them. If you or the other person has blocked one another, the add friend button disappears. Check if you have blocked them. Go back to your home page. Click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and then you can find Blocking option. Click on the blocking option. If they are on the list, tap on block next to their name. Then again select unblock option. Now they have been removed from the blocked option. Go back and then search their profile again. And the add friend option should reappear. Then go back to the menu tab. Another reason might lie in either you or the other person's privacy settings. Go to the Privacy and Settings button and then select the Settings button. Scroll down, go to the Audience and Visibility section. Then choose How people find and contact you. Then select Who can send you friend requests. If it's set to friends of friends, only people with mutual friends can send requests. Change it to everyone to make the add list option visible to everyone. Ask the other person to do the same if needed. Public figures often convert their profiles to a page, enabling followers instead of friends. If you see the follow option instead of add friend, it's by design for such accounts. The 4th reason might be Facebook limits personal accounts to 5,000 friends. If someone's at the limit, they can't accept more friend requests. You can still follow them if their account allows it. Want them to send a request? Politely ask them to remove someone from their friend request to free up space. That's how you can fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.